You know what's better than asking one AI a question? Asking 4 AIs the same question all at once. Thanks to Ninja Chat AI for sponsoring this video. They are the best all-in-one AI tool, allowing access to GPT-4, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, AI image generators, video generators, and mind map creation. You can literally ask one question to 6 different AIs at the same time. Oh, and if that wasn't enough, they also have image generation, so you can get AI images of beans whenever you want. So go to the top link in my description and use code VIRAGE20 to get 20% off any subscription. Thanks again Ninja Chat for sponsoring this video.